Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your employee account with Toast. So let's get started right away. First of all, you're going to want to open up your web browser, so just go ahead and open it up. Now in the address bar, type in payroll.toasttab.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Toast employee login page. Now in order to log into your employee account, simply type in your company code followed by your email address or your username. After typing your company code and your username or your email address, you can simply click on the next button and you will be asked to enter your password. After that, simply type in your password and click on the login button and you will be logged into your employee account with Toast. In case you forgot your password, you can click on the trouble logging in button underneath the next button. And you can also click on don't remember your company code if you can't find your company code. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your employee account with Toast. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.